Want to unlock seamless transactions and supercharge your favorite apps? Today, we're going to show you how to put your account in Plaid, a secure and trusted service that connects your bank accounts to the apps you love. This process is required when apps use Plaid to connect to your bank. First, start within the app you want to connect to Plaid. Look for an option like Connect Bank Account, Add Funds, or something similar that indicates linking your financial information. Tap on this button. A window powered by Plaid will pop up. You'll see a list of popular banks. Either scroll through this list or use the search bar at the top to find your bank. Once you've located your bank, tap on its logo. This will redirect you to your bank's secure login portal. Enter your online banking username and password exactly as you would when logging into your bank's website or app. Remember, Plaid uses bank-level security to encrypt your credentials. You may be prompted to complete multi-factor authentication, such as entering a code sent to your phone or email. Follow the on-screen instructions to verify your identity. Next, you'll see a list of your bank accounts. Select the account or accounts you want to connect to the app. Finally, review the permissions you're granting to the app and confirm your choices. You should then see a confirmation screen indicating that your account has been successfully linked to Plaid. And that's it. You've successfully connected your bank account through Plaid. You can now enjoy the seamless experience offered by the app you're using. You can use this same process for any app that has Plaid integration.